This is boy 2. This is the girl. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. They're going to call her Daisy. There's Bodie. Hi, Bodie. There's boy 1 resting on the couch, the doggy couch, the puppy couch. And there's boy 4 next to him. Hi, Bodie. Hi, kids. Daisy, why are you here? Go play with your brothers, Daisy. Hi, little guy. Hi, Daisy. Daisy, you're pretty active today, aren't you? Hi, little baby. Stop biting me. No bite. No bite. No bite. No bite. Go play with your brother, Daisy. Look at those. Uh-oh. They want to go to sleep. What? Are you all tired? You've only been out 10 minutes. What? Are you tired? We got a tussle here. Oh, Daisy, are you maintaining being the boss of my lap? What? Hi, Daisy. Go play with your brothers. Go play with your brothers. Go over there and play with your brothers. Look, 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 look. Oh, no. Now everybody's awake again. That's Bodie. This is boy 4. This is boy 2. That's boy 1. And this is Crazy Daisy. Crazy Daisy. Hi. Okay. These guys insist upon being on my lap. Hey, little guy. That's Bodie. Say hi, Bodie. Say hi to your mama, Jade. Hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. Okay, I'll hold you. But you won't be in the video if I hold you. Here he is. He wants me to hold him. The boy too. And this is Daisy climbing up my front. The others are perfectly happy to go play by themselves and let me video them. But Daisy. Hi, Daisy. You want to crawl up? Okay, you want me to hold you, Daisy? Daisy's got too much energy. Hi, little man. Hi, little man. Hi, little man. On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. And a parson in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Parson in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Four calling birds, 3 friends, and 2 turtle doves. And a parson in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. A parson in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. No, don't get my feet. Hens, 2 doves, and a parson in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, a parson in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. 8 maids a-milking, 7 swans a-swimming, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings. 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a parson in a pear tree. Ow! Stop biting me! No! Daisy, go play. And birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a parson in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Bodie? She settled down. Oh no, she's just getting ready to pounce. 5 golden rings. Birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, parson in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. I think this is Burl Ives, even though it says it's just Percy Faith and his orchestra. But it sounds like Burl Ives. 5 golden rings. French hens, 2 turtle doves, parson in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, this person's going to sleep too now. Bodie. Hi, Bodie. What are you doing over there, little man? Oh, and look, Daisy is still running around. Daisy, are you like the Energizer Bunny? Daisy's the Energizer Bunny. Uh-oh, where did the other boy go? Where did boy 1 go? He disappeared. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Hi, little baby. This is the one I would have kept had I kept one. But I had to give him up. Yes, I had to give him up so somebody else could be happy. But I would have kept him. I love that head. I love that head, and he's black and white, like his mommy, Pauley. Has come. Mm-hmm. I love Christmas music. And Daisy's still behind me. Get over there, Daisy. Daisy! Oh my God, she's got so much energy. I hope Natalia has energy. Oh, did you decide to sleep on the couch now, little guy? Hi, Bodie. Where'd that little guy? He's over there, exploring the corner. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. Oh, oh. Can you howl like a puppy? Oh. Oh boy, they're all in the same frame. Well, they were. Hi, Bodie. I'm going to put them outside. They haven't been out in the front. What? Are you talking? Oh, yeah, he likes to talk. Yeah, he does. He talks. You talk, don't you? You think you're talking. You think you're a human. What? What is it, baby? Ooh, this video is way too long. It's 12 minutes. Bye.